everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Coco and today I have an exciting video for you all. Unice was kind enough to send me this glueless wig to show you guys, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing, install, and review for you all, so let's go ahead and get into this video. The wig comes in this super cute red box that says Unice and cannot be defined on the side. So in the box we have the wig nicely packaged, and they also gave me some goodies like a pair of eyelashes, Unice wig band, and a rat tail comb, and also a wig cap, which these items will come in handy for this install. Now let's get into this wig. As you guys can see, the wig comes nicely packaged. So right here, I'm just taking it out of the package and removing the foam piece that is attached to the lace. And look at this lace. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. This wig is called the Bye Bye Knots wig. It comes pre-plucked, pre-cut lace and bleached knots. You literally don't have to do anything to this wig. It is a throw on and go wig. Now let's get into the structure of this wig. This is a 24-inch Kinky curly 7x5 lace front with 3 combs, 2 on each side and 1 comb in the back. This wig also has a silicone band that extends ear to ear, which this is great because it's anti-slip, which makes the wig more comfortable and sturdy to wear. So right now I'm going to show you guys how the wig looks straight out of the box. I already have my wig cap on and I'm going to put the wig on to see how it looks and if I need to do anything to it. This wig is so easy to slide on. It literally takes a couple of seconds and boom, it's on. So after trying it on, I am going to add some of my foundation to the lace just to make it blend seamlessly with my skin tone. I also sprayed the sides down with some Got To Be Free spray because it was lifting a little bit on the sides, but other than that, this wig needed nothing else. And so now I'm just putting on a lace band to help lay the lace down and let it sit for a couple of minutes, and went into doing my edges right after. So for the edges, I didn't cut the edges because sometimes I don't like doing the edges, and sometimes I do like doing them, so that's why I didn't cut them. But you can certainly cut them if you want to. But yeah, I'm just taking my favorite edge control that I like to use and just doing some simple swoops, nothing too crazy, something that's really simple. And I put the lace band on again and I let those edges sit for about 5 minutes. So while the edges sit, we're going to get into this hair. So I wanted to see what the hair looks like wet and with product added. So first I took some water and I sprayed it down, and y'all, this hair is so pretty, so curly, bouncy, and soft. It's literally the most softest hair I've ever felt before, and that's crazy coming from a wig, but it's so pretty and it got so defined with just water by itself. Now I'm taking some mousse to help define the curls a bit, and y'all, I'm so impressed by Unice hair quality. It's so pretty, and this particular unit is 24 inches, so I have a pretty good length on my head, but I did go in with the comb just to see how well it detangles, and also the shedding. It detangles so well and it barely shed hair, which I'm surprised because curly hair usually sheds more than straight hair. Now I'm taking the lace band off and look how good the lace looks. This literally looks like my hair, but it's not. It's a wig from Unice. And I'm also going to show you guys the comb tail swipe to show you guys that it's not glued down. This is 100% glueless. And I did go in and add a little bit of foundation just to blend it in a little bit more, but that is it. I just can't get over how easy this wig is to install. It literally takes seconds to install. This Kinky Curly Bye Bye Nos wig is quick for beginners like myself, and I think everyone should own at least one of these. So right here, I'm just showing you guys some cute hairstyles you can do. I didn't go into like really doing the hairstyles. I'm just kind of showing you guys what you can do. And look at this scalp as I'm separating the hair. It just looks like it's all mine. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure you guys head over to Unice to purchase this wig, and also check out the description box for all the info on this wig, including the link. And thank you, Unice, again. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.